Good morning, everyone. I am up. I had my coffee. I took my shower and I mopped and cleaned the two bathrooms. One bathroom here and the other bathroom over here. And let's see what my hair looks like. Let's put some light. Don't know if you can see my hair, but this is what I'm wearing today. With this mat, I did my stretching. I did some laundry yesterday, so I folded 2 loads of clothes yesterday, and this is what I have left for today. You can see this is the remnant of the ones I folded yesterday, and I put most of them away. So the last 2 loads are sheets and the rest are the clothes. So I'm gonna fold that. This is the empty basket. All the laundry is done. This is outside in the front through the blind. I have flowers right here. I love how pretty they look. They're beautiful. I love them. Remember this lamp from back in the day? This one right here? If you remember having something like that, let me know in the comments. Before I start editing, I have to season these chicken wings. I'm going to be using these seasoning. Only these 4 will do for these wings, and I'll bake them. This one I'm finished reading already. This had 20 chapters. I read it in like 3 days. This one is taking me a little longer. We had a new door installed, but it's not finished, as you can see. So there was a lot of little construction going on. So because it's not complete, what you see in the background is we have shutters. So we had to put the shutters there to protect it from rain. I already picked my next book. I have lots of books upstairs. So this will be my next book. It is called, a really nice book. I started reading it already. This is my marker where I am. But I put it away so I can read these 2 library books. I like to get out and go to the library just to be out of the house, doing something else. Sometimes I sit at the library and I'll read and then I'll come home. But this is what my day is going to be like. Just wanting to give you a little bit of my day. I'm going to put the oven on. It's a bake. And I'll do 350 and start. It's now 12:26, as you can see, and the oven is automatically at 100 by the time you put it on. And this is what the chicken looks like, because I washed it with vinegar and now it's all seasoned. While the oven gets hot, I am going to put the clothes away because I am finished folding. Let me show you the job. These are the sheets. These are the shirts, my shirts, pillowcases, kitchen rags, pants, towels, just lounge out clothes, and everything else that needs to go in the trash. Like this. Our oven is getting warm. It's getting hot. See, 123. Okay, this is where I put the kitchen rags. I put it with the rest. Right there. We close. Now we go back. See, tools waiting for the next time they show up. Why do we have the trash people putting up stuff? Oven is 12:35 and the oven is almost there. 3:45. I set it for 3:50. And I have this clear bowl, Pyrex dish, this wire. That's the oven thing is ready. This wire stand and then foil paper. I will show you what I do. Okay, hopefully I'm right side up. Foil. I line the bottom of the Pyrex dish so I have less work to do when it's all done and it's time to clean. Like this. Now it's lined, and I take my little stand and I put in here. I'm going to take my chicken and put on this little wire stand right here. Let's see how many of these wings this little wire stand hold today. This is empty now. This is full. Now we are going into the oven. This is the oven. Before I put it in the oven, I put a piece of foil over it loosely while it bakes. We close and I'll let it bake for 1 hour, and then I'll come back and I'll take the foil off and let it bake for another half an hour to an hour so it's nice and crispy. I'm going to take this thing has Arm & Hammer disinfectant. I'm going to spray the sink and the counter. So I do the counter first. The cleanest to the dirtiest, always. Then I wipe the sink down. Have recycle to go out. And I am done. Now I'm gonna go have me some chickpeas and salad dressing for lunch. It is late and I am putting stuff away, and this is all that's left of the chicken. This is all that's left from all the chicken. Everybody ate, they enjoyed. It was nice. And I'm getting ready to put the rest away and take care of the dish. Remember to stay fabulous. You are beautiful, and stay beautiful. I will see you in the next video.